hurricane warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service at 1:39 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued hurricane until 2:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, capable of producing strong wind, floods, and heavy rain. Due to the storm being so dangerous, all residents of California are advised to evacuate. The city immediately grabbed perishable food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. If you choose not to evacuate, you may be putting your life in extreme danger. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Weather Service at 4:19 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. There have been many reports of things such as cars, trucks, schools, and many more getting blown away, and the flood of this storm is getting so big. As a precaution, all residents are advised to evacuate the area immediately at a safe distance. Grab perishable food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Once again, if you choose not to evacuate, you will be putting your life in extreme danger. Evacuate now.
Attention. 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 This is an emergency broadcast system. The President of the United States will be speaking all stations shortly. Attention. 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 This is an emergency broadcast system. The President of the United States will be speaking all stations shortly. Attention. 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 This is an emergency broadcast system. The President. Message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Weather Service. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. I regret to inform that our world is coming to an end at 7:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The hurricane, or should we call it the endless hurricane, has been causing catastrophic damage throughout the world and life on property. There also have been reports of vehicles getting blown away, such as cars, trucks, vans, and much more vehicles that are getting blown away by the wind strongly. And there also have been reports of floods getting bigger and bigger and submerging houses underwater due to the hurricane being endless. And due to it being so strong, I am afraid that there is nothing else you can do to stop this storm. There is no way to seek shelter. There is also no way to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents of the world are advised to listen to the following instructions. Gather with your friends, family, and prepare for current death. Thanks for staying with us in the United States. We will now be playing the national anthem, and this station